Hey Nathan, how you doing today?
I'm doing well. How are you, man?
I don't know, man. It's hot.
Man, how hot is it?
It is so hot that Fayetteville Cumberland Parks and Rec has decided to extend the hours of their splash pads throughout the city. Normally, it ends at 6 o'clock from Monday to Saturday, but they've extended it to 8 p.m. So it is open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Saturday, and on Sundays from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Now, is there anything that you want to tell the folks about how to operate when they're at the splash pad?
Absolutely, man. So we're here at Kiwanis, and as you can tell behind us, folks, it's extremely busy. This is a very popular splash pad. I recommend get into the splash pad before the splash pad is scheduled to open. Try to get you a spot in the shade. That way the spots aren't all taken, because there were folks here at 9:20 and 9:30 this morning on a Tuesday, not a Saturday, on a Tuesday, so imagine it on a Saturday. Get your sunscreen on, get your spray tan on, whatever you want to put on. No food and drinks are allowed in the splash pad main, so if the kids need to take a break and rehydrate, the water and Gatorade needs to be drunk outside of the splash pad.
And actually, you bring up a good point, Nathan. We want to make parents and family members aware that there is no adult supervision on the facility. There are Parks and Rec staff that is there, but they're not tasked to actually watch the children. So we advise you, when you come out, make a day of it. Come out, bring a picnic basket, bring the food and drinks, have some fun with your kids, and also play in the splash pad yourself. Now, on top of that, there's other pool opportunities. People could go swimming in the pools if the splash pad isn't something they want to do. Isn't that right, Nathan?
That's correct, man. So at College Lakes, which is the location of the Keith A. Bates Senior Pool, the Westover Aquatic Center, Chalmers Pool, which is at Smith Recreation Center, you have the opportunity to check those pools out. And sometime in the near future, we'll have a new pool at Lake Rim as well. We're very excited about that.
Cool beans, good stuff. Also want to let you guys know that there is no cost to come to the splash pads. However, there is a cost between $1 and $4 to go to the pools. And you can go to fcpr.us to find out more details about that. Hope you guys have a good day. Come out and see us at the splash pad, because I'm getting ready to run through myself because it is hot out here. Talk to you soon.
Take care.